Today we will learn the pictograph. You must have seen data represented in the form of picture, object, or as a part of object in newspapers or TV. This representation of data is called a pictograph. For example, this graph shows the consumption of petrol in India in 3 different years. Similarly, the estimated production of crop in the year 2017-2018 in India is obtained from this pictograph. Similarly, the pictograph shown here shows the number of viewers watching different types of channels on TV in a village. Here, the number of viewers of the news channel is represented by 3 pictures. Here, since the value of one picture is 100 viewers, we can say that the number of people watching the news channel in the village is 3 multiplied by 100 viewers is equal to 300 viewers. 5 full and 1 half image have been used to represent the viewers of the entertainment channel. Since the value of one full picture is 100 viewers, we can take the value of half the picture as half of 100, that is 50 viewers. In this way, the number of viewers of entertainment channel will be 5 multiplied by 100 viewers plus 50 viewers is equal to 550 viewers. Similarly, can you tell what will be the number of viewers of science channels? Think. Let us tell you, this will be 4 multiplied by 100 viewers is equal to 400 viewers. Similarly, the viewers of sports channel is 450 viewers. Information can be obtained just by viewing the pictograph. As most of the pictures here are in entertainment row, so we can say that among all channels, the highest number of viewers are of entertainment channels. The difference in the number of viewers of science and sports channels is represented by half picture, which represents 50 viewers. Can you tell us the total number of viewers of entertainment and sports channel? Think. Let us tell you, a total of 9 full pictures and 2 half pictures, that is 10 pictures, have been shown for entertainment and sports channels. In this way, the total number of viewers of these channels will be 10 multiplied by 100 viewers is equal to 1000 viewers. Similarly, solve the question by yourself. Which channel is least viewed? Give reasons. What is the difference between the number of viewers of entertainment channels and sports channels? What is the total number of audience or viewers in the village? Now, you must have understood the pictograph. So today we have learned about pictograph. In the next video, we will understand it better with some interesting examples. Today we will see some interesting examples on pictograph. The monthly expenditure on various items of Ravi's family is given in the following table. Represent this in a pictograph. Let us draw the pictograph from the given information. Here, we have to take appropriate value of symbol so that we can represent all numbers correctly. If we take the value of the symbol as 500, it will make it easier for us to represent all the numbers. House rent is equal to 3500 rupees. Since the value of one picture is 500, to show 3500, we have to make 3500 divided by 500 is equal to 7 pictures, which we will make in this way. Similarly, 3000 rupees has been spent on food. Therefore, we will represent it by drawing 3000 divided by 500 is equal to 6 pictures. Now, can you tell me how the expenditure on electricity can be represented? Think. Absolutely right. We have to draw 1250 divided by 500 is equal to 2.5 pictures. Similarly, for education, we have to make 2500 divided by 500 is equal to 5 pictures, and for others, we have to make 1500 divided by 500 is equal to 3 pictures. Next example, the students of a school were asked about their favorite activity and the data received was represented in the form of pictograph. Read the pictograph and answer the questions. What is the value of one picture in a pictograph? The value of one picture in a pictograph is 5 students. If the value of a picture is kept 10, then how will be the number of students who like to listen to music will be represented? Since the value of the picture is 5, we can say that 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30 students like music. If the value of one picture is taken as 10, then we have to make 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3 pictures. Which activity do the students like most? Seeing the pictures, we know that the students like watching TV the most. What is the sum of numbers of students who like to hang out with those who like to play? 4 multiplied by 5 students is equal to 20 students like to hang out, while 6 multiplied by 5 students is equal to 30 students like to play. Their sum is 20 students plus 30 students is equal to 50 students. Now you can find out the answer to the following questions by looking at the given pictograph. What information is given in this pictograph? What is the difference between Rohan and Tina's marks? Write the name of students with highest and lowest marks. If Rohan would have got 50% marks in science, then what percentage of marks did Manish get? Similarly, find out in which months the birthday of students of your class falls and represent the information obtained in the pictograph. So today we saw some interesting examples related to pictograph.